Good morning. It's December 10th, and we're not doing advent calendars this morning. I'm outside. You can probably tell I probably don't have my calendars with me. My wife had to go out of town for work for a couple days, so we're going to catch up on those tonight and tomorrow. In the meantime, I thought I'd show you just some Christmas decorations and show you our outside a little bit. But some friends from Facebook have given me some photos of their decorations. This is our back deck. Just got a Christmas tree out here. You can maybe see the Christmas tree upstairs, inside. Got my grills out here. There's my Artiflame. We did most of this work last year and then added on to it this past year. There's our woods. One of our wreaths that we really enjoy. And it's just a gorgeous morning out here. It's supposed to rain later, but until then, we're going to enjoy as much good weather as we can. It's a lot warmer than it has been. And let's turn around and see the house a little bit. There's our upstairs deck tree. Merry Christmas. I hope you all are enjoying decorations around you. And I'll add some of the decorations from some friends. Have a great day, and remember, we've only got, I guess, 2 more weeks of shopping.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl.
Weather outside is frightful, but that fire is delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Thanks to those that shared photos of their decorations. If you'd like to share any of yours, just let me know. This is a time of the year that I like to think back on blessings I've received that I don't deserve. And this year, there were lots of them. Among them, friends and family and just life and health. Hope you have a very merry season, and we'll get back to Advent calendars very soon.